Open the hamburger menu and navigate to Resources section where you see below options. 1. Manage PGs, where you can view, edit and add properties. 2. Manage blocks and floors, where you can view, edit and add blocks and floors to your properties. 3. Manage flats, where you can view, edit and add flats to your properties. 4. Manage rooms, where you can view, edit and add rooms to your properties. 5. Manage beds, where you can view, edit and remove beds. To update your property details, tap on Manage PGs and select your property. Here you can see all your property details, modify the details that you want to change and click on the Submit button and your property details will be updated. To add multiple properties, click on Manage PGs and click on the plus button at the bottom right and you will be navigated to the PG details page again where you can enter your property details and submit to add your property. To modify blocks and floors, come back and tap on Manage Blocks and Floors and select the property you want to modify. Here you will see below options. 1. Add blocks and floors, where you can add blocks and floors to your property. 2. Edit block, where you can rename blocks in your property. 3. Remove a block, where you can remove a block from your property. 4. Add a floor, where you can add floor to your property. 5. Remove a floor, where you can remove a floor from your property. Click on Add Blocks and Floors. A pop-up will open. Select the number of blocks that you want to add and select the number of floors per block and click on the Proceed button. The selected number of blocks and floors will be added to your property. Note that blocks are nothing but buildings in your property. If you have multiple buildings in the same location, then you can add them as blocks. If the buildings are different location, it is recommended to add them as different properties. Click on Edit Block. A pop-up will open. Now select the block which you want to rename and enter the new name for the block and click on the Proceed button and your block will be renamed. Click on Remove a Block. A pop-up will open. Now select the block that you want to remove and click on the Proceed button and the selected block will be removed from your property. Click on Add a Floor. A pop-up will open. Now select a block to which you want to add a floor and click on the Proceed button. A single floor will be added to the selected block. Click on Remove a Floor. A pop-up will open. Now select a block from which you want to remove the floor. Select a floor that you want to remove from the drop-down and click on the Proceed button. The selected floor will be removed from the selected block. Come back and tap on Manage Rooms to modify rooms. Here you'll be asked to select a property. Select a property and you will land in Manage Rooms screen. Here select a block and floor. You will see a list of cards with room number, sharing type and active tenants inside the room along with options to edit room number, edit sharing type, deactivate, activate and remove rooms. To change room number, click on the edit icon next to the room number. You will see a pop-up. Enter the new room number and click on Save button and your room number will be updated. To change the sharing type, click on the edit icon next to the sharing details. A pop-up will open. Select the sharing type and click on the Save button and the sharing type of the room will be updated. Note that as per the selected sharing type, the beds will be automatically added or removed from the room. To deactivate a room, click on the Deactivate button. To activate an inactive room, click on the Activate button. To remove a room, click on the Remove button. To add rooms under your property, click on the plus button at bottom right. You will see a pop-up where you have to select the block, floor and the number of rooms that you want to add. Once done, click on the Save button which will add the selected number of rooms under your property. Note that you will also see a flat selection drop-down if your selected property type is apartment. Come back and tap on Manage Beds to modify beds. You will be asked to select a property. Select a property to proceed and you will land on the Manage Beds screen. Here select a block, floor and room. You will see a list of cards with room and bed number, status of the bed and options to deactivate, activate and remove the bed. To deactivate a bed, click on the Deactivate button. To activate an inactive bed, click on the Activate button. To remove a bed, click on the Remove button. Please note that there is no option to add beds here, as adding of beds will be taken care of by the Change Sharing Type option in Manage Rooms screen.